We have a Cadillac here. Sunburn everywhere, especially on the tops, because it's always facing the sun. That's a fact of life here in South Florida. But these lights really look bad because the car is a nice shiny black. So he wanted this car to look nicer because the rest of the car was beautiful. So that's how they looked when we're done. They look fantastic. Broward Headlight Restoration. We are fully mobile. We come to you, Miami-Dade, Broward, Palm Beach counties. Just give us a call and we'll come out to your home or office. 754-302-0769. 754-302-0769. You could even text us a picture of your headlights and we'll respond back with an estimate. So if you're in the need for a headlight restoration, just give us a call. 754-302-0769. We service South Florida, Broward, Miami-Dade, and Palm Beach counties. Thank you for taking time to